So hi guys and welcome to another video, and today we're doing a countdown for 2023.
So it's only 10 minutes left. We want to make a small program that can count down and tell you Happy New Year. So in Python, we have this datetime library which can help us. So you don't need to know very much about it now. Just you need to know this function will give you the time now. And inside here, there's a year, there's a month, there's a day. So if we run this code now, it will show you 2022 12/31. That's the last
But
day.
we sort of need to do a repeating loop that adds new data.
So what we want to do is to check if those three years is 23 months is 1 day is 1, and then we want to print Happy New Year. Yeah. So but this will only do it once. So if we do this, it's not gonna do anything because it's not the time yet, right?
So we still have to do the loop.
Yeah, you know a lot about coding. So we need to do a loop, yes. So what we need to introduce today is the while loop. So it writes like this. So and after the while, we need to write something about the condition. So currently we want to do something like until it's this time. So if we do this directly, that's not going to work as well, because how while works is if this condition is true, it will go into the loop and print the Happy New Year, right? But currently this is not true, right? So it's not true, then it's not going to print Happy New Year. So it's the same as the if there. So it's just going to print these things, not going to print Happy New Year, right? So what we need is to say while it's not this, we wait, right? So
then you have to change the numbers.
In Python, there's a sleep function. So what it takes is take a number of seconds. So if you say sleep 1, it will sleep for 1 second, right? Until the date hits this, it will end the while loop, right? Then it will print Happy New Year. So if we do it now, sleep, we need to import the sleep into the function first. So these module stuff we will talk about later.
Fireworks.
Yeah, people start to play fireworks now. So if we do this, then it's gonna stuck here until then it will print Happy New Year. Yeah. So now it was stuck here, it will do nothing. Then until it's a time, it will print Happy New Year. But we still want to do the countdown, right? So now we need to put another check here, say if the time is how many seconds do you want to count down?
Maybe first let's try 10.
You only have one chance because the new year only comes in one chance. So we have only 5 minutes left.
Okay, then 5 minutes.
So if we need to count down the seconds, we need to know how many seconds, how can we get the seconds, and then we compare the minutes and the seconds to the time. So basically here we need to say if the time is 9:59 and the seconds is bigger than 30, then we start the countdown, right? So now we need to know how to get the time from this now thing, right? Let me guess. I give you the. Let's try this. See if it works. Yeah, so it gives you the minutes and the seconds, right? So also, as you know, if you're stuck in a program, you can press Ctrl+C to end it, because we are currently in a while loop. It's not gonna end until you end it, right? You press.
But why is the second like sort of not changing?
Yeah, that's not done yet, right? So we need to Ctrl+C and end it. We need to finish this program. So we want to say if 59 and is bigger than 30, we start the countdown. So we print the seconds left, right? So it's basically 60, because there are only 60 seconds in a minute. We minus the seconds. That way it will print the seconds left until the 0000 date time, right? So those we don't need anymore. So if you want to comment something, you just select all of them and press Command/. So you can uncomment, you can comment. That way, yeah, it works like this. So here, I think it should work, but we don't know. There's only 1 minute left. How about we test it? We change it to the time now. Test it, see if it will count down. Oops. It only prints 11. Why? It's not changing the... that's why. Because we get the now from the beginning, not in the loop. So the now never changes.
Okay.
So we need to get the now inside the loop. That.
Okay. Let's give it a try now.
So we need the now in outside, both outside and inside, because the first time you need the inside, and the next time we need to change the now to change the outside value. So it's 58 now. We only have one last chance to test it. Yeah?
Yay!
Working. We see if it prints Happy New Year this time for us. If it does, that means it will work when it's 59,
13,
right?
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doesn't work. Why?
Because you didn't do the
because we didn't change the condition here. The condition is still the last it needs to be 2023.
1 minute left.
So last chance, we just do this, and then we see the countdown, so we should see the Happy New Year, right? Okay. Hope this works. We only have one chance. Yeah, that's because it's not 30 years. Yeah. Now we're matching the time.
1.
Nine.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New
Happy New
Year!
Year!
Yeah, we made it. Yeah? Now we can enjoy the fireworks.
I hear them.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.
So bye.
Happy New Year.